I'm Naomi, I'm one of the nurses looking after you today. The doctor's asked me to put some anti-embolism stockings on for you. Is that okay? Can you just tell me what's happened today? Why are you in hospital?
I had a car crash and broke a few bones, and the doctor said I won't be able to walk on it unless I have an operation.
Okay, so yeah, because you've broken some bones and you've got an injury, you become at risk of developing a deep vein thrombosis, which is a clot that develops in the deep veins. However, we can prevent that and help that with putting on these stockings. They're called anti-embolism stockings. So do I have your permission? Is it right to say that? Okay. Take a relax your leg. Relax. It's very important to make sure we don't have any kinks or collections of the stockings. Okay, how's that, alright? Okay, thank you. I'm actually going to use Neo-Slip because Neo-Slip helps to get the stocking on. So is that okay? How's that, alright? You can relax your leg now. And that's Neo-Slip.